The answer to yesterday's question, which of the three sections of the GMAT is the first section of the GMAT? There is nothing called the first section of the GMAT. GMAT lets you decide which is going to be the first section for you. That's called the select section order. You could say that I'm going to start with the verbal section, go to quant, and then end it with DA. Or reverse the order and say that I'm going to start with DA, do quant, and then verbal. There are three sections. You can reorder them. Let me show off a little bit of permutation in 3 factorial ways. So you have 6 choices to make. When do you make this choice? As you sit to start the examination, you log in and then you say, this is the order in which I'm going to be taking this examination. So what you need to do is, when you're taking these mock examinations, check out which order makes sense. And note one thing, there's a 10-minute break that you can take between some 2 sections. It could be between the first and second or the second and third. So as you take the mock examinations, check out what is going to work the best for you. For example, I might say, hey, I'm going to start with the DA section because it's the toughest one. Let me do it when I'm in the best of energy. And then do the verbal section. Take a break between DA and verbal. Quant, I'm good at it. I can anytime do quant. Wake me up at 12 in the night or 3 in the morning, I can do quant. So I'm just saying this is one example way of reasoning as to how those section order is going to be. I might think this way and do a mock and get some score. And then Shweta might come and tell me that swap the order and see what happens. And my score might actually be 30 points higher if I go with a new order. It might be one thing that you think that will work for you, but it might actually be something else. It's what the data is showing. So experiment with these section orders. Check out which gives you the best performance and stick to that. And don't experiment on the exam day. Do all the experimentation during your mocks.